Now that we've gone through, we've captured our baseball video, we're ready to go in and start breaking it down. So I'm going to double click the QuikScout Baseball icon on my desktop, come into the main menu here and click Digital Editing and Scouting. And that's going to take me into where I can create a new game. I want to start scouting the game that I just captured. So I'll hit New. It's going to ask me to go select the digital file that I just captured, so I'll hit OK. And I'll browse on my hard drive to where that is, and in this case it's on my external drive here. So we'll go this game here. I'll go ahead and hit Open. So when it opens up, I'm going to get video playing on the right side of the screen. I'm going to get data entry fields here on the left, and then with custom keyboards down here on the bottom left. So what we do is you go through and you scout each play, but you're using your own terminology when you do this. So if I get to the beginning of the first pitch, let's say it's right here. I'll hit Begin. It pulls that time code in, and then I can mark what's going on. The batter was number 3. Let's say the pitcher is number 32. It's a 0-0 count. Let's go ahead and watch it. And there's the pitch. It's high. It's a ball. So I'll pause it. I'll back it up just a hair here and hit End. So we'll say the pitch type, we'll say, was a fastball. The location was up. The pitcher pitched it out of the windup. Now, if you're keeping track of the pitch speed and you want to throw, a number in there, you can. The result, let's say in this case, was just a ball. So we can go ahead and put ball in. Then you've got 2 generic fields down here. You can use whatever you want. If a batter hits a home run, if a pitcher gets a strikeout, and you want to mark it as a highlight, you can do that. If there's things down here, things not up here that you want to keep track of, if you want to put a word teach in there, if a team makes an error, or you want to put error in there if a team makes an error, you can. Just generic things that you want to put in there you may want to search later is what this field here, these 2 fields are for. We're ready to go on to the next play. We're on 1 of 1, so we'll go ahead and hit the double arrow. Now we're on 2 of 2. We'll do the whole thing over again. Here's the beginning of the next play. We'll hit Begin. And after the pitch, there's another ball, so we'll hit End, and we'll go through and we'll do it again. Still number 3, pitcher still 32. It was a 1-0 count. The pitch type, again, let's say fast. Location was again up. You go through and you do that for each pitch. Now, you could actually keep track of it pitch by pitch if you wanted to. If you only wanted to pull out the at-bats where there was contact or where it was a strikeout or a walk, the final pitch of the at-bat, you can do that. It's really up to you how you go through the video and pick out the plays you want. All right, so once you're done, you'll close this down. Maybe you'll have 50 or 60, maybe you have 100 different plays in here. We'll go ahead and close it down. It's going to ask for a description. I'll type like an us versus them in here. We'll hit OK, and when you do that, now it shows up on the list. There's the play and a half that I put information in for. That's really all there is to doing data entry for the QuikScout Baseball program.